Hello, I would like to show you a brief little overview of what Lightroom is. There are two different editing applications that are popular through Adobe. One of them is Lightroom. So this is Lightroom. It's got a very simple look to it. So right now what I'm looking at are all of my photographs. I have over 7,000 photos that I've uploaded on here. So if I wanted to go in and edit a photo, I would have them, they're all by dates over here on the left side. So if I want to see what I did on June 15th, I click here and I did a photo class that day. So I wouldn't want to edit any of those. But let's look at this. This was a little LA adventure day. So if I double click on a picture, see now I have a picture that I can edit. And if I want to go edit it, I have a couple options over here on the right side. Very simple compared to Photoshop, which is a lot more in-depth and detailed. So really the three main things are the exposure, which is the lighting, the clarity, and then the vibrance of the coloring. So what I would tend to do, so this picture, it's a little bit on the brighter side, so I'd probably tone it down a little bit just to make it to where it's not super in your face bright. And then I'll make it a little bit clearer. And then I want to add some vibrance in there to make the bricks stand out a little bit. So I just make it a little bit more vibrant in the color, but it's very subtle. And that's a little bit too vibrant now, so I'll tone it down a little bit. But this is super subtle, and all it did was make the photo more vibrant and just messed with the colors a little bit. I can always also change the white balance of what the photo is, so it can be as shot. I can do an auto, make it do it by itself, so automatic. Let's see what it would do. Makes it very blue. I don't like that. So I'm gonna edit and undo that because it looks weird. Another thing you can do is tone control. So if I do auto tone, that's always going to be auto, and this is what it does to the picture, which I don't really like that either, so I'm going to undo that. And actually this is a little bit dark, so let's see what happens when I make it a little brighter. I think I like that better. So really with Lightroom, it's just changing basic things. It's very easy, so for a beginning editor, this is a very good place to start. This is where I started before I started going into Photoshop. But this is just very simple. You really just need to mess with these little things over here on the right hand side, and you can just edit any of your pictures. And you have all of these pictures that you've uploaded. So I can save these elsewhere on my computer, but they're also all right here. So if I want to edit them on here, so this is generally where I will upload and then choose pictures that I want to edit, or I can edit them on here. So if I were to edit a picture, let's mess with another one here. This was an engagement shoot that I did. Let's mess with them dancing here. So this one is also very bright. So I'm going to tone that down a little bit. And then I'm going to make it a little clearer and mess with the vibrance of it. And now that I've done that, the exposure is a little dark. So now the exposure that originally was there is fine. So really, it's all just messing with things. There's no exact order to doing it. It's really just what you prefer. And if you notice now, there's a little picture here, or little positive, negative sign, and that's when I've edited a picture. So this one I haven't edited, but this one I have. So it has that little plus negative sign. So that's what happens when you've edited that picture. But that's just a little bit of an intro to what Lightroom is. There's so much more that you can do, but I just wanted to show you a few of the basics. And then you can check it out a little bit more or ask questions if you have any, and then I can hopefully help you out with that. Thanks for watching.